Billy, guys, we've had a leak and there's a bowl full of water.
Hey guys, welcome back to another airport.
Yeah. 3 months ago, we left our beautiful van Martha in Europe after living in her for 3 years full time, flew all the way to Japan, explored everything this country had to offer, but now the time has come to get ourselves back to Martha.
Man, I have so many different feelings right now.
Mostly tiredness.
And hunger. I'm excited, I'm nervous.
Yeah, guys, we've no idea what state she's going to be in.
Yeah.
She's going to have mice, she's going to have mold, she's even going to be there.
Well, that is a good point.
So if you've been here for a while, you guys will know we left our van in airport parking. So we're getting picked up by the airport parking guy. So Martha's not too far from here. But if you recall, he promised that he's going to keep my plants alive for me. If he's kept our ivy alive for 3 months, I'll be beyond impressed.
I mean, all you have to do is water like once a week.
Look, I don't know why I can't do that, okay? It's time for a fresh start, back in our girl. I'm excited. Our keys are here, so the van must be there. Guys, it's been 3 months. Like 3 full months since we've left this van.
Yeah.
That's crazy. How does that happen?
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, there's our van. She's just where we left her.
She actually is, isn't she?
Yeah. Wow, I don't even know what I'm feeling.
Dude, last time you were here, you were in tears.
I can't do this anymore. No, I am in such a good headspace. I'm so ready. Billy, guys, the plant's alive. I can see it. The plant's fully green. Billy, I'm not joking. The plant. Look how green it is. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Sweet heavenly mercy.
Esmeralda, you beauty.
If you're in Romania, honestly, use this airport parking. They're so nice.
Even if you don't have a vehicle.
And it's cheap. 3 months, £120 parking. That's incredible.
Euros.
Sorry, euros. That's even cheaper, guys.
Welcome home.
Our girl. Oh, Philly, it feels so good.
Doesn't it?
I was so worried I'd be so stressed and anxious about the van, but I'm so excited.
I love it. Guys, this is surreal.
We need to see if the van turns on. I mean, I'm assuming you're all like me, just waiting to see if the van even starts.
I know. I love how we're so excited, and it could all go very wrong very quickly.
Oh no! Please don't say that. I'm putting out positive vibes over this van. We haven't seen the back. We don't know if it starts, but our energy is high, considering my eyes are so baggy and I am so tired. I'm quite impressed. My energy is so high.
Do you have the keys?
You have the keys. What an absolute beauty. Our girl.
Hear that baby purr?
That was instant. How do you feel driving it?
You know, I'm doing it. What side of the road am I meant to be driving on?
I literally don't know. This one, I think.
It just feels like a different life, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But like, I'm so grateful to be back, you know. But yes, anyway, we're gonna crack into the back. We haven't actually looked in the back yet.
Guys, we've had 3 really good months. I really need this to not be a stressful situation. I need Martha to be good. I need Martha to be gorgeous and good. Ah! She looks just like we left her. She looks just like we left her. However, we've had a leak and there's a bowl full of water. Okay, so our roof has leaked the whole time we've been gone. But if that's all that we have to deal with, that's not bad. Billy, look at our girl! Do you know what? She's a bit smaller than I remember. This kitchen feels like this is it. This is all we've been cooking on. We've no mold, we've no mice, we just have a leaky roof.
Guys!
And guys, look what else there is just here.
It's little!
Little.
Could this day get any better? Oh, yes it can. Guys, check our batteries. Batteries are 12.9.
Look at that, babe.
That's solid.
This was how we left it all.
Oh, look at these guys.
Our fairy convoy.
So damn attractive. Keely's pea stain on the bed.
No, it isn't. It's coffee.
More Keely pea stains.
More coffee. Everything's okay. Guys, everything's okay apart from the leaky roof.
Fridge stocked.
It's like 8 p.m.
It's not even. We're going to bed. We've had a choco week. We'll see you in the morning for coffee.
First coffee montage back in the van.
Yeah, this is exciting.
Right,
Be
guys,
excited.
we'll see you in the morning.
Be excited in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, guys. We've parked up in a really nice spot by the Danube, and it's not too hard to know we're back in Eastern Europe or Romania, because when I look outside this morning, we've got friends. Check it out. Are you friendly? I hope you're friendly. Hey, pup. Hey, you. Here you go. Take it. Here you go. Huh? What? Okay. I'll put some out for you. There you go. Yeah.
I wanted Philly to bring me coffee in bed and all, but apparently sleeping into 11:30 means I don't get coffee in bed.
Oh. How beautiful is this place? This is insane. And we've got a friend, which let's call her
Sheba?
Why Sheba? Sheba's more of a cat name.
I don't know.
Sheba.
Sheba having big boobies.
She definitely had some pops recently. Okay, Sheba it is. Sheba the Romanian street dog.
Coffee's up.
Thanks, Sheba.
That's our first brekkie back in Martha.
Dude, it is so nice to get back to some creature comforts. Who would miss bean and cheese toasties? Oh my word, I miss bean and cheese toasties. Guys, you can't get this stuff in Japan. Yeah, it's weird because it almost feels like Japan just never happened, doesn't it? Yesterday when we were driving along, I thought I smelled fire and I made Philly pull over and check the van, but it wasn't the van, it was something outside. But better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. But I was okay, I didn't think I was having a heart attack. If that happened this time 3 months ago, I would have honestly thought I was going to die.
Anyway, breakfast. So,
now that we've had our breakfast, we've had our coffee, we've fed a dog, the sun is starting to go down. We've definitely started van life again at a very slow pace.
but guys, we can't keep up the slow pace of sleeping 14 hours a day because
we have stuff to do.
So we have got our MOT in 2 months. We're gonna try and cut out as much driving as possible and maybe ferry hop, because the truth is, guys, you know, if you've been here for a while, you know we've had many breakdowns. Our van caught fire. There's a lot of trauma associated with Martha, so we don't want to push her too hard. We won't be going up any Romanian mountains again. And we're just gonna take a leisurely beach vibe travel home. But before we start our journey back west, I'm making us drive further east because I want to see the Black Sea, guys. I haven't seen it yet.
Let's go then.
Oh no, 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 no! I've got a lot of Christmas weed!
Behind the scenes, guys, we said we're going to leave, but Keely needs another coffee.
Yeah.
Oh dear, always have to have a coffee up front, you know?
Yeah, you do for sure. I was going to say that whenever we were in Alan, there were lots of things that we appreciated about Martha, but there were a few things about Alan that we were like, that would be quite nice to have in Martha, like a long bed, a single seat that you can walk through. But the truth is, guys, like if we had a single seat, where would I put my coffee?
Yeah, we do have this.
Philly does want a single seat, so I'd quite like people's opinion. Would you prefer a single seat so that you could walk through to the back, or would you prefer a double seat so that you can have your coffee next to you, you could have a dog next to you?
Well, like currently we're climbing through this little space, and you know that might be okay for people that are 5 foot, but when you're 6'4",
you're not 6'4". Which would you guys prefer? Let us know in the comments. A walkway or a coffee platform?
I would prefer you not screaming in my ear.
Well, my coffee's brewing, so okay, I'm coming through.
Oh.
Look, easy as that. That's like, what? Effortless.
There's a tripod outside.
I've got my
Forgot
hand
about
full
that.
of drone. You're gonna need to take this down.
Guys, this is behind the scenes that you don't see in YouTube videos. Let's go.
Put the tripod down.
Man, it's beautiful here.
Guys, that's the Black Sea. Somewhere
What?
there.
Keely, it's not black. I've been fooled.
You're an idiot. So considering we're still a bit wary of Martha and driving her, and I wanted to stick to main roads and not really do anything treacherous in her, Billy's decided to take us to a park for night that says 4x4 only.
Oh, come on, live a little.
Let's see how this goes.
Martha's been gagging for this.
No, she has not.
Yeah, this sky is just beautiful. We're gonna get the sunset.
Wow! Smells like sea! Wow! It's gorgeous.
Right, going in for a swim?
Right now, all I can think about the fact is that I've only had one bean and cheese toastie all day. Sunset and I'm starving.
What are you making me?
Curry?
A curry?
Yeah.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, baby. Can we just swim tomorrow? I'm not sure. I'm not mentally ready to swim right now.
We could do a morning swim, that sounds good.
Yeah, I don't think I'm quite there yet, but I'm excited tomorrow. Okay guys, even though the sunset outside is gorgeous and Philly's out there enjoying it, obviously I'm hungry, which means all I can think about is food. I'm going to crack out the recipe that Cheska gave me this time last year all the way back in Turkey.
What a day. I haven't really done that much today, but it feels... What are we thankful for?
I'm thankful that the van was safe. My anxiety associated with her seems to have dissipated.
I'm so thankful for my loving husband, Philly.
Yeah, well, that's a given.
Oh, really?
That doesn't even have to be said.
I'm thankful for our friends and family.
I'm thankful for when I can start to eat this meal.
I'm thankful that you guys are here, but we're happy that we can share.
Why are you so cute? What's this about, guys?
Trying to be present and aware of everything that's going on, so...
I am very grateful for every single one of you that posts anything, even though we all agreed with Philly that his hat was blue, even though we all know it's purple. And I'm really grateful that I'm gonna eat this dinner now. Yeah?
You're just gagging to eat.
I know, you keep like postponing me by having conversations that are really adorable and I don't want to like end, but also
Okay.
I want to eat.
We're gonna eat. We'll catch you guys in a bit. Love you. Good morning. I'm not gonna tell you what time it is, so you can't shame us.
Okay, let me see.
So you're just gonna have to work out by the sun.
Hi, the sun is in the sky.
Check this view.
It's been a very long time since we've opened our back doors to sunshine and blue sea.
So you didn't miss much last night. We just ate and then we binge watched some TV series and then went to sleep.
Guys, we got into bed. I thought it was 9 o'clock, 6:45. That's crazy.
It is crazy.
Our sleeping pattern is so...
It's definitely got better. You know, like each day we're getting up maybe like an hour earlier and maybe in a week's time we'll get up at 8.
Maybe.
Anyway, let's go for a swim.
Oh.
Yeah. Somebody cue the Baywatch theme tune. Da-da-da-da-da.
Let's go! Billy, I can't feel my feet.
Cut the Baywatch theme tune. Cut the Baywatch theme tune.
I feel like I'm having a heart attack. Feel how fast my heart's beating.
It seems that because the tide is pretty far in, you have to walk quite far out to get in deep enough to go in. But we found a little part that is like up to your knee. So we're just gonna lie down in that.
Oh, why is this so cold here? The ambulance!
It's fine! It's fine! Everything is fine! Everything is fine!
Don't let the blue skies trick you, it's friggin' bumpy.
Keely, I can see my breath!
Can you see our breath?
Don't blow in the camera! Once more for luck.
Okay, thanks, bye! I'm a little bit ashamed of how much of a bitch I was.
Yeah. Not gonna lie though, I feel pretty good now.
Oh my word, I feel incredible now.
I don't regret that at all.
I don't regret that. I feel so alive right now.
Let's go get a cup of tea.
Oh my word, a cup of tea would be lovely. Okay guys, we're back at the van. I've got heat back in my bones, got the coffee brain. We have a lot of clean and dirty clothes and clothes we've realised we no longer need, etc. So we're gonna give a good clothing purge, try and streamline.
Guys, it's spring, we're doing a spring clean.
It's not spring, it's fully winter. We're doing a winter clean.
Spring, okay?
Okay, so we're just gonna smash into it. Ow!
Oh, sorry, I thought we were smashing. Look at the state of this. That's mine, this is Keely's. Look at that. Even our books and stuff, like this place has just got really cluttered really fast.
Philly has come back from a very minimalist Alan. You seen Alan, all he had was one plant and a coffee pot. And he's come back to this van and is now freaked out that it's too cluttered.
Keely,
so we're
this
going,
is horrific.
I know it's cluttered, I know, okay? I know there's bags of clothes, I know all of this. So I'm aware it needs streamlined, okay?
Like, and that's just the back. Look at the front. The front is a climbing mat.
I'm aware. Okay, we're gonna streamline.
Yeah, we might have a problem. So we're gonna start a new TV series. It's called Van Hoarders.
Excuse me, I am
And
not a hoarder.
we're-
I'm not my mother.
We're the
I
first
am
people.
not.
We're the first people to interview.
2 hours later.
Look at this beauty. Martha's looking good too, though, isn't she?
You're not being nice about me. Guys, we've been bickering this whole time.
Keely hasn't shut up, honestly.
I'm not sure if you can tell from watching it, but I'm just letting you know in case you don't, that Philly is so anal about being tidy. It's honestly,
I'm not.
Oh my word,
Maybe
he's
you're
such
just
a clean
not anal
freak.
enough.
I know I'm not.
Anyway, we got everything done pretty much, and we have a big bag for charity that's in the back now. So thankfully we have thinned out a little bit.
Such a minuscule amount, but okay. We've done enough to shut this guy up for a few months.
Check out our cupboards. You remember what they were like beforehand? Check this. Bam! Bam! In the words of Owen Wilson.
Wow.
This place is looking spick, Keely.
Guys, I actually had to prune Esmeralda because she got too long. Her leaves were too much, so I pruned her. Just felt like telling you that, you know.
Cool story.
I just want a cup of tea and a biscuit. I said to Philly earlier, I think this is one of the worst days. Like,
I love this
this
day.
doesn't bring me joy.
It brought
I'm
me
just
joy.
like, I just want a cup of tea. I just want to sit down.
You can have yourself a cup of tea.
Thanks, Pat.
What are we doing?
Right now, we're just gonna have a cup of tea, chill out. See you guys in the next one.
Yeah?
I don't know. If this is the end of the video, thanks so much. Subscribe. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.
Bye!